1. Early life and education. Jean-Paul Sartre was born in Paris, France in 1905 and showed exceptional academic abilities. He developed a strong interest in philosophy and literature, studying at the prestigious École Normale Supérieure. 2. Championing existentialism. Sartre became a prominent figure in the philosophy of existentialism. He delved deeply into issues of free will, individual responsibility, and the complexities of human relationships, advocating for the importance of personal choice and authenticity. 3. Political engagement. Sartre actively engaged in political activities. He aligned himself with the left-wing movement, supporting causes such as anti-war movements and anti-colonialism. His political views were closely intertwined with his philosophical beliefs.